In today's video I will be showing you how to find your email on your Deepseek account easy and quickly. So first of all, after you download the application, enter the application, and then here you will find these two lines up here. Click on it. Then in the bottom you will find your profile account. So as you see here up, you will find the profile. So here your email, and after this, information is about the application, and then the app. Here you can change the color scheme or the app language, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.